I'm pretending I have a cooking show. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ashley, and if you're new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm about to start prepping things for Miles' school tomorrow because he's resuming school tomorrow for the new session. He's going into a new class, so I'm going to go wash his bottle, his food flask, and prep some other stuff for school tomorrow. Right now he's getting his haircuts outside, so yeah, you guys should come along with me. And I'm so excited he's going to school tomorrow so I can rest, because this holiday has been so long and he doesn't let me rest, plus the new baby. So right now, tomorrow I'm going to sleep. Thank God my mom is here, so she's going to be with baby while I rest tomorrow. So yeah guys, come with me as I prepare things for school tomorrow. So this is I'm going to be making puff puff tomorrow morning for his school snack. So I mixed the dry ingredients. This is flour, sugar, powdered milk, yeast. So tomorrow I'll be adding the wet ingredients so it can be a bit easier for me. So I'll be setting this aside. Then I'll be making his fruit juice for tomorrow. Orange. I'll be putting this in the fridge to get cold. So I'll be washing this right now. So I'm about to tag his school bag and his lunchbox so his new teacher can identify his stuffs. Done tagging. Good morning guys. So right now I'll be mixing the puff puff. Then after mixing, I'm going to be setting it aside for it to rise before I fry. So this morning, Miles will be having cereal for breakfast before going to school. baby. You're ready for school. Okay, ready for school. Love you. Your class is no longer the smallest in the school. Hey, big boy.
Love you.
Mwah. See you, baby. Love you.
Hey, come on, wear your bag. I think. Put down your bag.
Daddy, hold your. Bye. They put balloons for you guys. He wants the balloon. Bye. Miles, oh, come, oh, please.
No, you go. Yeah.
You want to play? Huh?
Let's go now.
Bring your bag. Hey, collect his bag.
Thank you.
Okay, slide. Miles, slide.
What's inside this bag?
Are you serious? Daddy, slide now. Calm down. Whee!
Go now.
Come, let's go home.
I go one more, let's go. One more, let's go. Alright, go, Daddy, go.
No.
Calm down. Miles. Ugo. No. I will slide down. Go.
Whee!
Go. Go now.
Are you scared? Oh God. I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to make porridge yam. So I'll be adding this dried fish. And recently, I'm pretending I have a cooking show.